Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to trade items and share your inventory with everyone on Roblox Mobile, you're in the right place. Enabling this feature is simple and fast. This guide will walk you through the latest steps so that you can start trading and sharing right away. First, you need to open your Roblox application or the website on your device, log into your account, then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and go to Settings. Here, you can change your Roblox preferences. So, in the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions, that is below the Security option. Then, what you can do on Roblox is you can go ahead and tap on Trading and Inventory, that is below the Visibility and Private Servers. Here, you can set the audience to everyone, connection followers and people you follow, only connections and people you follow, or only connections or no one. This section controls who can see your inventory and who you can trade with. So if you want to allow access to everyone, choose everyone option in the top, and this lets anyone on Roblox see your items and trade with you easily. So that's all there is to it. You have now enabled trading and inventory access for everyone on Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.